Unraveling the mystery. Interrogative determiners in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our ongoing series on English grammar fundamentals. Today, we're about to dive into a quite intriguing topic: interrogative determiners in context. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to understand and use interrogative determiners effectively in your English conversations. So, let's get started. Interrogative determiners are a type of determiner used in questions. They are used to determine or specify a noun in a question. The main interrogative determiners in English are which and what. Let's look at an example. 1. Which book do you want to read? 2. What time is it? In both examples, which and what help specify the noun in question, book, and time, respectively. The word which is used when the choices are known or limited. It's used to ask about one or more out of a known set of items or people. For instance, let's consider these examples. 1. Which car did you decide to buy? The speaker knows the listener was deciding among a few specific cars. 2. Which of these shirts should I wear? The speaker is choosing from a specific set of shirts. On the other hand, what is used to ask about something within a larger, indefinite set of possibilities. It's a more general inquiry. For example, 1. What movie should we watch tonight? There are numerous movies that could be chosen. 2. What type of food do you like? There are countless types of food. Understanding the concept of interrogative determiners is one thing, but using them in context is another. This is where practice comes into play. Try creating your own questions using which and what. The more you practice, the more naturally it will come to you. And that wraps up our discussion on interrogative determiners in context. I hope this video helped clear up any confusion you might have had regarding the use of which and what in questions. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exercising those grammar muscles. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing. Happy learning! Note: this is just a markdown text representation of a video. The actual video would include visual aids, animations, and possibly interactive elements to engage the viewer and enhance learning.